Namaskar, I am Tanmay De. Welcome to Sanchita. I hope you all are doing well and learning from my videos. So today I am going to dictate an editorial passage from the Hindu. Total words 1034. Speed will be 100 words per minute. Now be ready. After the countdown of 5, I will start my dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Later this week, frontline warships from India, Australia, Japan, and the US will team up off the coast of Visakhapatnam in the Bay of Bengal to carry out advanced maneuvers including surface, anti submarine, and anti war warfare operations, cross deck flying, seamanship evolutions, and weapon firing exercises under Phase 1 of Malabar 2020. This is the first time since 2007 that the four countries are together in the Malabar naval exercise, while the quadrilateral security dialogue within bracket quad bracket close between the four has no military dimension. They are now teaming up to exercise together under the Malabar banner. This comes after a Ministry of Defense within bracket MOD bracket close statement on October 17, which said within double quote, as India seeks to increase cooperation with other countries in the maritime security domain and in the light of increased defense operation with Australia, Malabar 2020 will see the participation of the Australian Navy. Decode. The exercise is being held in two phases, with phase 1 from November 3 to 6 and phase 2 from November 17 to 20 in the Arabian Sea. For over 3 years, New Delhi was reluctant to accept Cabiro's request to join Malabar as an observer. The first indication of a change in view came in June when officials signaled that there was a rethink. A key meeting in the MOD in August took an in principle decision to invite Australia for this year's exercise pending a formal announcement. Experts believe the ongoing standoff with China in eastern Ladakh had an impact in changing New Delhi's view. The participants of Malabar 2020 are engaging to enhance safety and security in the maritime domain. The MOD statement said within double quote, they collectively support free, open, and inclusive Indo Pacific and remain committed to a rules based international order. Decode. The planning conference for the exercise was held virtually due to COVID 19, and the exercise has been planned on a within single quote non contact at sea decode format. Australian Defence Minister Linda Raylands said the Malabar exercise showcases the within double quote deep trust between four major Indo-Pacific democracies and their shared will to work together on common security interest. Decode. In a recent interview to the Hindu, Australian High Commissioner to India Barry O'Farrell, while saying they were within double quote delighted decode at being invited to Malabar, said with the benefit of hindsight he can say that withdrawing from Malabar within double quote was a mistake. Decode. Australia had joined Malabar in September 2007, which also had a small contingent from Singapore and coincided with coming together of the within single quote quad decode grouping. Both were quickly disbanded after sharp reaction from China. Malabar began as a simple passage exercise within bracket passage bracket close in 1992 between the navies of India and the US and hit a pause in 1998 after India's nuclear test in Pokhran to resume again in 2002. Since then, it has become an annual feature. Within double quote, the 2003 Malabar was seminal since it not only graduated from the uni-2-dimensional level to a three-dimensional exercise within bracket involving surface, subsurface and air platforms bracket close, but also included visit, board, search and seizure within bracket VBSS bracket close missions against suspect vessels decode, wrote Gurpreet S. Khurana, Executive Director, National Maritime Foundation, in an issue brief within single quote Malabar Naval Exercise Trends and Turbulations decode dated August 5, 2014. Such operations may be necessary to curb terrorist use of sea transportation, including for trafficking of weapons of mass destruction within bracket WMD bracket close. Both sides fielded submarines for the first time in 2003 and aircraft carriers in 2005. USS Nimitz, INS Virat. Over the years, the exercise grew in scope and complexity. It got converted into a trilateral exercise with Japan's inclusion in 2015. Phase 1 of Malabar 2020 will see participation of US guided missile destroyer US John S. McCain, Australian long-range frigate HMAS Balrat with integral MH-60 helicopter and Japanese destroyer JS Onami with integral SH-60 helicopter. Indian Navy fielding destroyer INS Ranvijay, stealth frigate INS Sivalik, offshore patrol vessel INS Sukanya, fleet support ship INS Shakti and submarine INS Sindhuraj, a Sindhu Ghosh class Russian Kilo class diesel electric submarine. Hawk advanced jet trainer P-81 long range maritime patrol aircraft, Dornier maritime patrol aircraft and helicopters will also be participating in the exercise. Officials were quiet about the flotilla for Phase 2. China gave a restrained response on the announcement. Asked about Australia's inclusion in Malabar, Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Joa Lijian said in Beijing that they, within double quote, noticed decode this development and China believes military cooperation between countries should be, within double quote, conducive to regional peace and stability decode. While New Delhi may have been reluctant to let Australia into Malabar, it has quietly improved its military cooperation with each of the Quad countries bilaterally. Information exchange for enhanced maritime domain awareness is a prominent theme for the Indian Navy with increased presence of Chinese Navy in the Indian Ocean. Since 2008, China has maintained regular presence in the Indian Ocean region in the name of anti-piracy patrols and even deployed submarines for the purpose. In 2017, China formally opened its first overseas base in Djibouti in the Horn of Africa. This has also brought a change in the Navy's operational philosophy in the last few years with its mission-based deployments, a series of logistics support agreements to increase operational turnaround in the region and beyond, and other foreign cooperation and capacity building activities. The Malabar and cooperation with the US is one of the many strands being pursued. There are also other regional organizations such as the Indian Ocean Rim Association and the Goa Maritime Conclave that India is actively engaging. This is the first Malabar exercise since India signed natural logistics pacts with all three countries. India has also now signed all the four foundational or enabling agreements with the US, which takes interoperability several notches higher, not just with the US but also with Australia and Japan. For instance, during the past Malabar exercise to enable encrypted communication, the US would install its encrypted communication kits Centrix within bracket combined enterprise regional information exchange system bracket close on board India ships. India got an access to these systems after it signed the communications compatibility and security agreement within bracket Comcasa bracket close in 2018. In March 2019, the Navy and the US Navy signed a loan agreement and provided Centrix kits at the Indian Navy headquarters, said Ellen Lord, US Under Secretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment in November last year. More systems have been added in a variety of places and platforms, though officials declined to give a specific number. This will enable seamless communication with all participants of Malabar. Stop writing. Now you should try to read your script and do transcription. Now I am showing you some important words meaning. This is part 1. This is part 2. Now I am showing you some important words relating to this passage outline. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is the final part. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. And this is the final part. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my work. Please take care. Bye.